Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. And today the doctor said, like yesterday, the doctor said I was sick. So, and he said I have to eat dark chocolate.
What does the dark chocolate do, did he say?
There's 11 grams of sugar in this.
Is there? Well, what do you know? But you're not eating the whole thing. He said to eat the chocolate because it would calm the cough. So, he said 70% or more. So here we have 74%. So Chloe is going to open it up.
I'm going to open up the 11 gram of sugar.
There's 11 grams of sugar.
I finally got this open.
Look at that.
That's hot. That's hot.
Oh, it's beautiful. What?
It smells gross.
It smells gross. There you go. All right, I'll have a piece. Cheers to your health, baby. Take a decent bite. You took a tiny little one. Like a big one like Mommy. Mmm.
It's not good.
Remember when we watched The Big Bad Wolf the other day? Oh, okay, you're gonna spit. Really? You don't like it? It is not that bad at all. You're being so dramatic. Okay, so that's a fail.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Peace out.